Welcome back to Smart Education. Today we are going to solve chapter 5 of class 9th, linear equation in two variables. Before starting this chapter, we are going to learn about what is elimination method of solving. Okay. So here, by taking different value of variable, we have to solve equation x plus y equal to 14 and x minus y equal to 2. But every time it is not easy to solve by this method. Example, 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 4 and x minus 5y is equal to 11. So we are having two kinds of method. With example, I am going to show you. See, for example, adding both equation, we get equation in one variable. For example, x plus y is equal to 14. It is the first equation, and second equation is x minus y equal to 2. This is a second equation. We have to add this both. As you can see, plus y and minus y get cancelled. We get 0 here, and this x will become 2x equal to 16, and we will find what? We find x with the help of this equation. Now, after getting one variable solved, so we will substitute whatever x we got with the given example, that also positive equation we will take to solve this. We will substitute x is equal to 8 and we'll find this equation. With this equation we will able to get what? Y equal to 6. So we have to find x and y with the help of this equation. So I hope you understood what is elimination method, and it is very easy compared to one more method is there, that is called, the second method is that substitution method of solving this equation. In this equation, for example, we will see first example that is given in page number 85. Solve 8x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 3x minus y is equal to 2. So we are having two equations. One is in positive form and second is in negative form. So here in equation second, it is easy to express y in term of x. So what we have done, we have used 3x minus y equal to 2. That is our second equation. Okay. So in the place of y, we took 2. Okay. Substituting y equal to 3x minus 2 in equation 1. So we are going to substitute in the place of y 3x minus 2. Okay. What we have done, we have taken y this side. After taking this side, the 2 will come left hand side and it will become minus, negative, because here right hand side it is positive. Okay. So what we got, y is equal to 3x minus 2. Then this equation we are going to use in equation 1. After using this equation 1, we got this 8x plus 3x minus 2. With the help of y, we got x equal to 1. These are the steps we have to follow. Just go through page number 85 for substituting method to understand in deep, and page number 82 for elimination method. Now I am going to solve practice set. I am going to solve practice set 5.1. I hope while practicing this all question solution, you will able to understand how to do this sum in easy way. So please follow the step with me. So let's start with practice set 5.1. So here practice set 5.1, question number 1 is given. By using variable x and y from any 5 linear equation in two variables. So by using x and y, we have to write 5 linear equation in two variables. So we are going to write that. So let's start. Before starting practice set, I just want to show you one important point regarding general form of linear equation in two variables. Okay, the general form of linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and A and B are non-zero at the same time. Okay, this is also very important before starting practice set 5.1. Now we'll start with solution. What is given? See, by using variable x and y, form any 5 linear equation in 2 variables, they said. So we'll write. So I'm writing with 5x plus 3y equal to 10. Then x plus y equal to 5. 3x minus 5y equal to 2. We have to use variable as 6x and y here. We already use, see, 5x plus 3y, x plus y, 3x minus 5y. Again x plus 2y equal to 6, x minus y equal to 10. Okay, just we have to show 5. So I have shown you 5 equation, linear equation in 2 variables. I hope you understood question number 1. Now we are going to solve question number 2. Now here question number 2 is write 5 solution of the equation x plus y equal to 7. So we have to write 5 solution of the equation of x plus y equal to 7. Means 2 sum equal to 7. Okay, 2 variable equal to sum of that is 7. So question number 2, I will start the solution of it. See, here it is given x plus y equal to 7 is given. So here, as you can see, the sum should be 7. Okay, so for example, we can take 1 plus 6, it will become 7. We can take 2 plus 5, that will also become 7. Then we can take 3 plus 4, that will also become 7. Then 4 plus 3. After adding 4 plus 3 will get 7. Again 5 plus 2, that is also, after adding it will become 7, etc. That's it. So we'll use this write 5 solution, they said. We have done that. Okay, now we are going to solve question number. Now question number 3 is given. Solve the following set of simultaneous equation. It is given first x plus y equal to 4 and 2x minus 5y equal to 1. So we are having 2 equation with this. With the help of formula, we can use elimination method, otherwise we can use substitution method, but I am going to use elimination method. It is very easy also and very simple method to follow in it. So just we'll start with question number 1. Now this 2 equation is given. This is the first equation in positive and second it is in negative. Okay, so here x plus y equal to 4 and 2x minus 5y equal to 1. Now we are going to use elimination method to solve this. So first we'll see what is common in this. Nothing, only x and x plus y is here and 2x minus 5y is there. As you can see here 5y is there. We can take 5 here also. So what we will do, we will multiply equation first by 5. After multiplying equation first with 5, we'll get 5x plus 5y equal to 5 4s are 20. This is our third equation. After multiplying 5 we got. Now after getting this, we will add equation third and we are going to add equation third and second. Okay, so I'm going to add. This is the next step, adding second and third equation. Now we are going to add this both equation. So first I will write 2x minus 5y equal to 1. And second equation is what? 5x plus 5y equal to 20. Now we are going to add this both. Okay. These both get cancelled. So what remains? 7x equal to 21. X is equal to 21 upon 3. Okay. Sorry, 21 upon 7. 21 upon 7. Again I am writing. X is equal to 21 upon 7. 7 3s are. Okay. So x is equal to 3. We got. Okay. We got x is equal to 3. Now after getting 3 as x, we are going to substitute in one equation to find y value. So whenever you use equation to find this, we have to use positive equation, that is x plus. So we are going to substitute x is equal to 3 in equation 1. Okay. So x plus y is equal to 4. X is 3. 3 plus y equal to 4. Okay. Now y is equal to 4. This 3 will come this side, minus 3. And now y is equal to how much? 1. So we got y value as a 1. So we have solved question number 1 of question number 3 of sum number 1. I hope you understood the steps. Please follow the step. Again, concentrate on question number 2 to understand. Now question number 2, that is 2x plus y equal to 5 and 3x minus y equal to 5. Now we are going to solve this. Now this is our first equation, this is our second equation. So as you can see, there is no need to do any changes because we are having plus y and minus y here. So we'll directly going to add both equation, adding equation first and second. Okay. Now we are going to add this both. 2x plus y equal to 5, 3x minus y equal to 5. We are going to add this equation. So minus y plus y get cancelled. What remain? 5x equal to 10. Okay. So x is equal to 10 upon 5. Now after getting, by dividing we'll get 2. X is equal to 2. We got x value as a 2. Now we are going to substitute this x value in equation, and whenever you substitute, use the positive equation. So I am using that. So substituting x equal to 2 in first equation. Now 2x plus y equal to 5. In the place of x we are going to use 2. 2 plus y equal to 5. 2 to the 4. Now after substituting 2, we get 2 to the 4. 4 plus y equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 minus 4. Okay. Then we'll get answer. Y is equal to 1. We got the value of y as 1. Okay. I hope you understood. I have solved question number 3 of sum number 2. Now question number 3 is given 3x minus 5y equal to 16 and x minus 3y equal to 8. Now we are going to solve this. Now this is our first equation, 3x minus 5y equal to 16. This is first equation, and x minus 3y equal to 8. This is our second equation. Now to get the same number with variable, we will multiply x with 3, it's already given 5 and here 3 is there. So we use multiply second equation by 3. So we'll get 3x minus 3 3s are 9, 9y equal to 3 8s are 24. This is our third equation. Okay. Now after this step we are going to subtract equation third with equation first. So subtract equation third with first. Okay, so I'm writing that 3x minus 5y equal to 16. Now 3x minus 9y equal to 24. As you know, when we add we can also change the sign. So here plus plus minus, okay, plus plus minus will come, here minus minus plus will come, here also minus sign will come. Okay, now this will going to be cancelled. What remain? Now when we subtract this we'll get 4y equal to, as sign of bigger number we have to take minus, answer will be 8. Okay, now y is equal to minus 8 upon 4. Now y is equal to minus 2. We got the value of y after subtracting third and first. Now next step we are going to substitute y in one of the equation. So I am taking second equation. So substitute y equal to minus 2 in second equation. Okay, so here second equation is minus x minus 3y. Okay, x minus 3y equal to 8. In the place of y minus 2 will come x minus 3 again minus 2 equal to 8. Now x will here, now direct I am writing 8. This 3 to the 6 will come this side, it become minus minus will become plus. So the plus sign, so I don't want to skip, I will explain you. See here, x minus minus plus 6 equal to 8. Okay, after this x is equal to 8 minus 6 will come. Now x is equal to 2 will come. Okay, I hope you understood. Now we got the answer, x is equal to 3. So x value is 2, y is minus 2. I hope you understood question number 3 of third sum. Now next equation, equation number 4, it is given 2y minus x is equal to 0 and 10x plus 15y equal to 105. Now we are going to solve this. Now this is our first equation and this is our second equation. Now as you can see, the first equation is what, 2y minus x is equal to 0. Now this is what given, y minus x is given, it is not given x minus y. So we will write in general form. So I am writing general form. We are going to write the first equation, that is minus x plus 2y equal to 0. This is our third equation. Okay, now as you can see, we are having 10x plus 15y equal to 150. 10x, 1x, 15, here 2y, here 15y, here 2y. So what we will do, we will multiply third equation with 10 so that we can get 10x here. Multiply equation third by 10. Okay, then after multiplying we'll get 10 minus 10x plus 10 to the 20y equal to 0. This is our fourth equation. Okay, now next step is we are going to add second and fourth equation. So adding second and fourth equation, we are going to add 10x plus 15y equal to 10. It is not 150, it is 105 it is. So by mistake I have written. So it is what? It is 105. 105. Okay, I hope you understood. By mistake I have written 150, it is 105. Okay, this is our second equation. Now I am going to add with minus 10x plus 20y equal to 0. Now plus minus will get cancel. Now here 35y equal to 105. Y is equal to 105 upon 35. 35 it will go with 3. So y is equal to 3. We got the value of y is 3. Okay. Now after getting the value of y, we are going to include this value in one of the equation to get the value of x. So I am going to use the first equation. So I am going to use substitute y equal to 3 in first equation. 2y minus x is equal to 0. In the place of y will write 3 minus x is equal to 0. Now here 6 minus x is equal to 0. Now x is equal to, this will come this side. So positive x will become negative x. Now this both get cancelled. What remain? X is equal to 6 will remain. So we got x as a 6. X value is 6, y value is 3. We have solved question number 4. Now we are going to solve question number 5. Now question number 5 is given 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 and x minus 5y equal to 11. Okay, this is the fifth equation we are going to solve now. Now here, as you can see, the first equation 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0 is given, and the second equation x minus 5y equal to 11. This is our second equation. Now here, as you can see, it is given without variable. This 4 is given, so we will correct it in the correct form. We are going to write this in correct form. So the second equation we will going to write in general form, that is 2x plus 3y equal to, the plus 4 will become minus 4, and this one is our third equation. Okay, I hope you understood. Now as you can see, what is given? 2x. Here x is there, and here in the place of y 5, and in the place of y 3 is there. So now what we are going to do, we will multiply the second equation with 2 so that we will get 2x here. So multiply second equation by 2. Then what answer will be? 2x minus 5 to the 10y equal to 22. This is our fourth equation. Okay. Now here, as you can see, now we have to subtract equation third with 4 to get the value of y. Okay, y or x. So I am writing here, subtract equation third and fourth. Okay, now 2x plus 3y equal to minus 4, 2x minus 10y equal to 22. Now we are going to subtract. Here the value is going to be changed, it will become minus. Here plus minus, so plus will become here. Again here minus sign will come. Okay, the sign will be changed. Now here as you can see, plus 2x and minus 2x going to be cancelled. What remain? This will become plus 13y equal to minus 26, because minus minus is what? Plus. Now y is equal to minus 26 upon 13. When we divide, we'll get 2 minus 2, y is equal to minus 2. We got the value of y as minus 2. Now after this, we are going to substitute y in one of the equations. So I am using first equation. So substitute y equal to minus 2 in first equation. Okay, so here I am going to write 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Now 2x in the place of y will write 3 minus 2 plus 4 equal to 0. Now 2x plus minus minus 3 2s are 6 plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, now 2x minus plus is minus, so minus 2 will come equal to 0. Now again x, now this is 2x and this minus 2 will come this side, it will become 2. X is equal to 2 upon 2. Now here x is equal to 1. We got x value as 1. So we have solved question number 5. Now we are going to solve question number 6. Now question number 6 is 2x minus 7y equal to 7 and 3x plus y equal to 22. Now we are going to solve question number 6 of this equation. Question number 6, 2x minus 7y equal to 7 is first equation and 3x plus y equal to 22, this is our second equation. So now here as you can see, we cannot change x here, but we can change here. So what we will do, we will multiply the second equation with 7 so that we can get here 7y. So I am doing that, multiply equation second by 7, then we'll get 3x, sorry not 3x, 7 3s are 21x plus 7y equal to 722 the ones 54. This is our third equation. Okay, now we are going to add, first equation with third equation. So I am adding, add equation 1 and 3. So here 2x minus 7y equal to 7 and 21x plus 7y equal to 154. Okay, now here minus y and plus y get cancelled. Okay, here we'll get 23x equal to, when we add this both, we'll get 161. Now x is equal to 161 upon 23. Okay, it will get multiplied with 7. So here, therefore x is equal to 7 will come. The x value is 7 here. Okay. Now next step is we have to include this x in one of the equation to get the value of y. So whenever you do such thing, remember that use the equation which have a positive sign. So I am writing substitute x is equal to 7 in second equation. So 3x plus y equal to 22. Okay, 3 in the place of x we'll write 7 plus y equal to 22. Now 3 7s are 21 plus y equal to 22. Now y is equal to 22 minus 21. Y is equal to 1. We got the value of y as 1. So we have solved question number 4. We have finished practice set 5.1 of linear equation in two variable. I hope you understood what is linear equation in two variable. You understood the formula or method of elimination and substituting. I hope you will follow the step to practice it. So please practice it and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.